Hello, I wanted to show you categories of PowerSchool Pro. So when you log on to PowerSchool Pro, this is the first window you'll see. It's your assignment list. When you first log in, it'll be blank. This teacher has assignments already because this is the class from last year. But I wanted to show you categories. Categories are really important because basically it's the way that you're going to manage your assignments when you're creating assignments. So assignments have to have a category, but you can decide on the categories that you want to have. I want to show you first of all what categories there are. So if I click on A+ grading over here, I have the assignment list, the score sheet. If I go down to categories, it's going to show me the categories that this teacher has set up. So she has tests, classwork, homework, and participation points. Those are her 3 categories. If I wanted to, I can show you all the inactive categories. So the district just kind of assigns 4 categories. So you can see these little categories with the houses or the schoolhouse. These are the 4 that you get to start with. So it's test, classwork, project, and quiz. And then you can decide whether or not you're going to use those or not. In order to create a category or to get rid of a category, I'll show you how to get rid of a category first. So if you didn't want one of these categories, like you didn't want to have a test category from the district, you just click on edit. And all you have to do is just decide which class it's going to be for. If you want to have assignment defaults, like how many points just most assignments are going to be worth. And then if you just want to inactivate it, you don't want to use it, you just click inactive and then click save. Okay, I'm not going to do that. But I also want to show you how to actually create your own categories. So if I went back to the assignment list, which is kind of the main page, and I'm going to go over here to create, and you have 2 choices of what to create. So you can create assignments or categories. We're going to create our categories. So we have some choices when we do this. So if we want to limit it to a class, we can limit it to a class, or we can just give it to all classes if we just don't select anything. And then we'll give it a category name. I'm just going to call it practice. We can assign it a color. We'll give it a nice teal color. And then we can decide whether it's going to be active or inactive. And we can even give it a description. So in this description, you can add text. You can add a link. You could even add an image if you really wanted to. The other thing that you want to do, you have these other tabs up here. So the assignment defaults. I can choose the score type for my practice category. So maybe my practice category is just going to be points. And for my practice category, I want each assignment to just start off at 10 points, and then I can adjust it when I create assignments. And then I can decide whether I want it to publish assignments in this category to the PowerSchool portal. If I want to publish scores, if I even want to count in the final grade, I can view all of my different categories, and then I can just click save, and that will create the category for me. So just practice category was created. So now if I go back to my categories, so if I go A+ grading, back down to categories, you can see that one that I just created is now there. If I decided I didn't want it anymore, I could go edit, make it inactive, and save. And there it's disappeared again. So this teacher's back to a regular 3 categories. So hopefully this was helpful. Again, to see categories, just go A+ grading categories. To create a category, just go create and category. So hopefully it's helpful. If you have any questions, you can email me at dharris@mvwsd.com. Thank you.